Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler, part-time seller on Mercari, eBay, Poshmark.
We're just going to change it up every time?
Why not?
Okay. Okay, so for today's video, we are doing another unboxing, although it's not an unbox.
You're not bitter about that at all.
So we purchased a Jomar Wholesale designer purse lot. It's 5 designer bags. It was $99 plus shipping, which came out to about $126. So before I get into it, if you enjoy reseller content and you want to see more unboxings and hauls and what solds and all that kind of stuff, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up so we know that you like this kind of content. Leave a message down below about your experience with Jomar. Have you done their designer box haul? Are you happy with it? Or are you not happy with it? Let us know. We want to have a discussion about options for online sourcing. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. We post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Okay, so
Getting to the box.
Which
is not a box.
So first of all, this is how it came. So I want to just kind of, I don't want to show you my address, but this is how it came. So designer bags in a poly mailer. I'm not super happy about that just because it's not really how we would ship a designer bag, and it, as most of you guys probably know because you are resellers yourself, that this lends to damage. So okay, also I do want to note that I have seen some videos specifically from Nicole State and other people that have not had great luck. So
Well, it's at least double bagged.
okay, so that's good. So we do have our hopes a little bit low, but as we've said in previous videos, we do turn to this type of sourcing because of the state of the world. We are not able to source as much, and it also helps getting items that we're having a hard time finding when we are out here. So purses have always been a struggle. So let's hope there's something good in here.
All right. I see a lot of fringe.
Okay, fringe is good. So there is a little receipt.
Gently used Preloved Designer Bags. $128.26, so 130 bucks.
Okay.
So it works out to about 25 a bag.
It looks like Mage. Is it?
It is Mage.
Okay, so this is Mage. The strap looks good. There's nothing wrong with the strap that I can see. And they have the little Mage logo on there.
I mean, the bag looks fine. It's suede or untreated leather, so it's...
Yeah, it's a cute little bag. I know that there was a really adorable stock photo of this particular purse that I actually saw from somebody else who unboxed this, but in purple. So if I can find it, I will throw it up on the screen for you guys. But this is cute. I haven't sold Mage before. I've heard good things, but this is cute.
Another Mage.
Okay.
This one has tags.
New tags, Mage. Okay. Like almost Sherpa? You want to say Sherpa?
Well, so it's got the untreated rough leather.
Oh, there's a
Sherpa
dust bag in here.
So
Dust bag. There's the strap. It's still wrapped up. There's still wrapping in here.
I mean, I can't complain about that.
Smells really nice. So, I mean, this is really nice. It's brand new, so I'm excited to see what it's worth. We will do our best to put up comps on the screen so you guys know what this stuff is worth.
So this is Sandro color block.
This is like exactly, do you remember the girl who I showed you unboxing this? She literally unboxed like the same, well, not the Sherpa one, but the pink one she got in purple, and then this she got as well.
So it has tags, but there's some scuffing on it that should come out. Hopefully.
Now, one thing before you open more that I will say, knowing that other people are getting the same stuff is concerning as a reseller, because as a lot of you guys know, if the items are being posted a lot by other people, then that means it's saturated and it's going to be a lot harder to sell. So when I do look up comps for you guys, I will also try to let you know how many other items are for sale that are similar, that are probably from Jomar. I'm not upset about it. I just want to keep that out there so that you're aware if the items are super oversaturated, even though they're worth a lot, they may not sell.
I mean, the retail price on this is, I'm not going to complain because that'll get you out of the bag.
$255 was the retail on the tag. But again, keep in mind that it may be oversaturated based on what we're seeing.
More Mage.
Okay.
Tags.
Exactly the same type of bag. Yeah, there is tags to it. It says $295 originally, and then it was marked down to $137.50. Again, really good condition. Looks cute, nice. This one does not have a crossbody strap, but it doesn't look like there's a place for it, so I don't think it's missing or anything like that. So cute.
And last is going to be another mage.
And that's a big one.
It's a big one. So it's got wrapping on the hardware. And it's got everything inside. I don't see a price though. Oh, maybe here. $485 retail.
I mean, so it's really nice. Again, they're all exactly the same style, which is a little disappointing because that kind of tells me that what they probably did was they probably got a lot of this type of bag and they gave it out to everybody. Hopefully that's okay. Hopefully maybe
they got an influx of inventory from somewhere that didn't move and they just shipped it off.
Yeah. So that doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad thing. I just want to keep that in mind so that when we do show you comps, you are aware that that could be a thing. But we will do our best to show you how many items are out there. And as we always do, we will come back later on and let you know how we've done with it. So overall, I am not upset with the brands that we received, and I'm not upset with the condition. I am just concerned about oversaturation, knowing that I've seen other people unbox the exact same bags.
And given the bags that we got, I'm less aggravated by the poly mailer than if it was something that had more definition to it.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, I will say as a company, I would hope that they would protect their items a little bit better, but everything does not seem damaged. So if I had bought this on Poshmark, I wouldn't give them a low rating. I just, as long as things come in the way they're supposed to.
Yeah, just it's going to be a little bit of a suede brush to clear up a little bit of the dust, but should be fine.
Yeah. So that said, I mean, you guys let me know what you guys think. I mean, are you concerned at all about oversaturation with this type of item? Would you purchase it knowing this is probably what you're going to get? And does it bother you that they're all basically the same style? Like, just let me know. I'm curious to know. I'm curious to have a conversation with you. I've never sold any of these brands, so I can't really tell you how I think they'll do or how I think these styles do because I've just never sold them. So, anyways, that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will be back very soon with a new video.
Thank you all for watching.